Hey, what's going on, your faith family? I'm coming to y'all today. I got mosquitoes tore my arms up. You see this? No, but this is my grandmama's. This was her gown, and when I wear it, I feel close to her. Yes, this was her gown, and she been passed a couple of years ago. So this is a reminder of my grandmother. And I loved her dearly. And I was in the kitchen with her a lot because she stayed with us for a while. And I was in the kitchen all the time with her while she was cooking. Her and my mother. My mother cooks too, but my mama would wash some greens like 3-4 times. She used to in detergent, okay? But I just wanted to, come to y'all with these mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes, with this homemade gravy that I made, and these pork chops, and I got a ginger ale. Let me get on with the get on. See, you sop it. See how you sop that up. I like buns better than I do regular bread. You know what? Y'all should try it. Y'all see my smothered pork chop just falling off the bone. Look at that. I mean, they're so tender. Look at that. Look at that. Look. It's come off the bone. Look at that. And what I did was I smothered it, simmered it on the top of the stove. About a month ago, I broke my favorite friend, and that was my crock pot. I got to get another one. But I got this big old skillet. It cooks just like the crock pot. And you put it on low by 200 and let it slow cook for about 3 hours. Just sop it. Yeah. Just sop it. Y'all know I got to have my acid. Some nice burps. Look at that. Oh, Lord. I mean, it's good. I should have got 2 buns. Look at that. Just sop it up. Y'all should try it. I mean, with my fingers. How good this is. I never could understand my grandmother. She would tell me a secret, and then she would say to me, "Don't you tell nobody, it's between me, you, and the gay pole." And I used to say, "Who in the hell is the gay pole? What is grandma talking about?" I mean, and she would tell everybody that. I miss her so dearly. I used to call her. That was the type of grandmama you can call at 3-4 in the morning. If you can't sleep, she answered the phone. "Baby, I want to sleep." I was woke knowing she was asleep. And you get to talking. I mean, and I just really enjoyed my grandmother. She passed, she was 90. when she passed away. And I had one of them grandma was still getting it on. $87 old. You go to her house, she got lingerie laying up in the drawers. And you go there, she got company. You know she got company because she coming to the door whispering. I got company. You have to come back. You have to come back about 4 or 5 hours when he gone. I'm like, Grandma, what you doing in there? She was like, don't worry about it. I said, just come back. I'm like, I had a jazzy grandmama. Jazzy. And she can dress. And some of the stories that she used to tell me, and she used to talk about my grandfather. I never met him. My mama never really knew him because he died. My mother, I think she was about 4 or 5. But she used to tell me, she said he be cheating on me. He come up that dirt road, and I see him because he had sandy blonde hair. He was yellow. She said, I get that rifle. She said, and I be like, Richard, is that you? She said, she would shoot up. And I said, no, you didn't, Grandma. She said, yes, I did. That's what I believe. He knew better than to play with me. Some of the stories you hear, you know, you can learn a lot from them, just like the old remedies. She used to tell me, if you have a headache, take a teaspoon of mustard. I'm like, Grandma, what's that going to do? She said, it's going to bring the pressure down. That bring down your headache. And high blood pressure, say get them garlic pills. She used to keep them. And she used to keep some garlic water. That's why they say times now today, you have to make memorable time. This year is going by so fast. It's almost October. It's fast. That's why you have no time for BS. No time. You have to enjoy each and every day. And enjoy the people that love you and you love them and that appreciate you. Don't let people take you for granted. And some people do. And they figure you're never going nowhere. And you're going to always be there. But while they got you, they should appreciate you. Oh yeah, I ain't seen my buddy in a while. That's my mama. I just know at times I miss her. But when she come, she be at my house for about 3 weeks to a month. She stay with me. But I enjoy it and I take that time and embrace it. Because in this lifetime, you only get one mama and one daddy. I know I be cooking my butt off. I try to eat, some restaurant food, but I enjoy my own cooking. Like today, I tried the Wendy's burgers, and they was dry. And it's bad because sometimes you need to treat yourself. You know, sometimes you like going out. Me, I normally like going out to breakfast in the morning. On a Saturday, go to Denny's around the clock. Eat me some good old breakfast and have me some good coffee. That's the only time I drink coffee too. Give me y'all some good burps. This is real. They got stuck. Mashed potatoes. Life is nothing but lessons learned and memorable moments. That's what it's all about. Serving God, enjoying your life, because you never know. I am full. When I get through with this today, I'm going to bed. Tired. I got up early. Even though I work from home, but it can get tiresome sometimes. I'm always clean. I always wash the clothes. Run up and downstairs. I got a big old fat rabbit. I mean, a fat rabbit. I be scared to let her out of the cage because I'm scared she go chew up some stuff. Let her out. She chew up cords, wood, everything. Her name is Gracie. Y'all done heard me talk about her. That was a good belch, wasn't it? I just want to tell y'all, subscribers, y'all make me smile. Y'all really do. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate y'all. I don't know how much I could tell y'all. Them comments, they help. Believe it or not. You know, sometimes people might figure, oh, it's just put down a comment or whatever else. But like I explained to y'all the other day, I feel like y'all family. Like y'all my friends. Y'all my cousins and uncles and aunties. That's how I feel, a closeness to y'all. And it's amazing how you could develop a friendship with, you know, people from around the world. You don't know who you're talking to. You don't know who you're helping. By just being there, just talking to them, just sitting there and they can see you every day. You helping someone. You know, you bringing them peace. And y'all bring me peace too. When I sit and I look at them comments like I told y'all and I see them thumbs up and I see I get new subscribers, I mean, it's exciting to watch yourself just grow. Just grow from nothing. And how people really love you. You know. And I just want to let y'all know I really appreciate y'all. And I love y'all. I truly, truly, truly love y'all from the bottom of my heart. And I'll be saying peace out to y'all. Now I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow. I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Your Faith Family. Come join me. Come on in. Come on in. I love y'all.